Hello students, this session is for class 11. Okay, already we have started chapter that is trigonometric ratios of positive acute angles, and 2 marks questions for this chapter already completed. Today I am going to start 4 marks questions. Okay, let's start. What is the question here? Sec theta minus tan theta, this we have to prove. Sec theta minus tan theta plus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus sin theta by whole divided by cos theta. This only we have to prove. So let us start from the left hand side. Let us write the left hand side. Written already. Now sec theta minus tan theta plus 1, this can be written as sec theta plus 1 then minus tan theta, and sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 we can write sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta. Now both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by sec theta plus 1 plus minus tan theta, so then automatically it will be whole square. Okay, now sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta whole square, we will expand this part as a minus b whole square. Then what we will write? So automatically this part will be sec theta plus 1 whole square. So we can write sec square theta plus 1 plus 2 sec theta minus, this is a square part, a square plus b square minus 2 into a b. So it is coming sec theta plus 1 into tan theta whole divided by sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta into sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta. So it is a plus b into a minus b. So what we will write? Sec theta plus 1 whole square minus tan square theta. A plus b into a minus b, we know this is a square minus b square. Okay. Then what we will write? Sec square theta plus 1 plus 2 sec theta plus 1 tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, this is equals to again sec square theta. So what we will write? Sec square theta plus sec square theta, it will be 2 sec square theta. Okay, plus 2 sec theta is there. Okay, and then minus 2 sec theta tan theta, just multiply. Minus 2 sec theta tan theta and again minus 2 tan theta. Okay, and denominator part same as before. 1 plus sec theta whole square will be 1 plus sec square theta plus 2 sec theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now 1 plus sec square theta, 1 plus now say 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, that we know. So 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is again 1. So that one and this one, this is equals to 2. So 2 plus 2 sec theta, denominator. Our numerator two sec square theta. Do one thing, from these two sec theta, take common 2 sec theta, and it will be 1 plus sec theta, and it's better no need to multiply this part. So it will be same as before, minus 2 tan theta into 1 plus sec theta. That will be better. No need to multiply. Just write this part here. Okay. And denominator, it is, what did I say? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And this is 1. So it is coming only 2. So 2 plus 2 sec theta. Got it? Now this is equals to, now take common 1 plus sec theta as a common factor. Okay. And this is coming 2 sec theta minus 2 tan theta. So take common 2 here. So it is coming sec theta minus tan theta whole divided by, take common 2. So it is coming again 1 plus sec theta. This 1 plus sec theta, so common factor will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. So it is coming sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta means we know. Write it down here. Now sec theta minus, this is coming sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so it is coming 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to right hand side. So this is proved. I think there is no problem. Okay, now next sum, let me rub the board for the next sum. Next one, sum number 3. This is again creating problem. Let me write with the red one. So what's the question? One by sec A minus tan A minus 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 by sec A plus tan A. What is the question? 1 by sec A minus tan A minus 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 by sec A plus tan A. Okay. Let us do one thing at first. Take minus this term to the left hand side. Then what we will get? 1 by sec A minus tan A plus 1 by sec A plus tan A is equal to 1 by cos A is there, and take 1 by cos A to the right hand side. Then what we will get? This side is equal to, this is coming, this 2 will be the LCM. So what we will write? Sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A. Okay, so it is coming sec A plus tan A plus sec A minus tan A, which is equals to 1 by cos A plus 1 by cos A. It gives us 2 by cos A. Okay, now plus tan A minus tan A, from the numerator it will be cancelled. So sec A plus sec A, it's coming 2 sec A. 2 sec A whole divided by, this is sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A, that means sec square A minus tan square A, which is equal to 2 cos A. That, so 2 sec A by sec square theta minus tan square theta, that gives us 1. So write here 1 is equal to this. Now 2 sec A means, sec A means 1 by cos A. It is coming 2 by cos A is equal to 2 by cos A. Okay, that means it is proved. Okay, let me rub the board. Next sum number 5. Okay, now question is cos to the power 8a minus sin to the power 8a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a into 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, now LHS. Again we'll start from the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Cos to the power 8 minus 8a minus sin to the power 8a. Okay, which implies, now cos to the power 8a means cos to the power 4a whole square minus sin to the power 4. whole square. Okay, now again a square minus b square form. So what we will write? Cos to the power 4a plus sin to the power 4a into cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a. Okay. Now this part is coming again, cos square a whole square and sin square a square. Okay. And this part is coming, cos square a plus sin square a, automatically square of square, so it is again will come a square minus b square form, so it will be minus sin square a. Okay, now a square plus b square form, that is equals to a plus b whole square. As we know, a is cos square a plus sin square a plus b whole square minus 2 sin square a cos square a minus twice ab into this part. Cos square plus sin square a is equal to 1. So it is coming cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a means 1 minus sin square a. So it is coming 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. And this part is again 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a into 1 minus 2 sin square a, that is equal to right hand side. So this is also proved. Okay. Now next sum coming with a new video.